welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing that is super crazy belated. This is from December of last year, and we are now in August as of filming this. I know. And at least there's only the other December box, January, February, and March, and that's it. And then it's all part of Ipsy, and we're all caught up. We're good at that point. We're good. So we're chipping away. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. So anyways, yeah, December 2022 is what this box is. This is the Boxycharm Premium box. Although I can't remember if this was the month that got weird where it was like two premium boxes. I don't know. There was some month where it was like both of them were. I don't know. Anyway, so just glancing over the values of everything in here. There's only one that's like a kind of decent one. I mean, none of them are like cheap, but I mean, altogether, I suppose they add up. So, no particular order. We have a Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. This is a pencil eyeliner set, part 2 in bronze. This retails for $38. Says your perfect collab is here in an expertly matched pencil eyeliner set. These creamy, easy glide liners go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying power. Now that's Beauty for Certain. Let's see them. Come on. They don't want to come out. How do I know which one's part 1 and part 2? Say part 1 somewhere? Oh, I guess it does. Part 1 is navy. Part 2 is bronze. That's so weird. Oh, it's like really weirdly textured on the part 2, but not on the part 1. Part 1 just feels like a normal eyeliner pencil. Part 2, it's like grippy and like rubberized, almost like an EOS. I'm like, oh. Interesting. So part 1, we're not going to swatch it yet, but these will get their own video sometime. This one, I'm trying to open it carefully where I don't accidentally nick the gel. Honestly, that looks black to me. It claims it's navy, but that looks pretty black. Like, let's turn up this lighting for a moment. You tell me. That looks black, right? Anyway, turn that back down a little. It's 10 at night. We don't need it blaring. Anyway, the soft lighting is fine. So then the bronze, given how shiny it is on this part, I want to see if it looks like it in the pencil too, or if it's false advertising. Come on. Oop. Oh, okay. This one might actually look like that for once, which would be a nice change of pace if it does in fact go on looking like that. So I will pop these back in there for now, but I'm kind of excited about that set, not gonna lie. So there's that. What is this? Oh, this is the most expensive thing in here. Heavy too. This is the Kores I don't know, Greek yogurt probiotic superdose face mask, and this retails for $52. Oh my god. Like, it's bulky. Does it have a weight? Yeah, it's 3.38 fluid ounces, so that's a good amount in there. So it says, a superdosed Greek yogurt facial mask works as a total skin reset in less than 10 minutes, powered by more pre- and probiotic-rich real Greek yogurt than any other skincare product. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then this, where are we at? What the hell? Is this not here? I'm very confused. Hold on. This is literally not listed, but it's by Woma Beauty, and it's the Badass Icon Matte Lipstick in the color Diana. I don't know why it's not listed. There's many questions about this box, but okay, whatever. So this one, ooh, it's like one of those cool metal tubes. A badass does not talk about being a badass. Love it. Is it magnetic? It is. I love these. Those are so fun. Anyway, so the inside of it, red metal on the inside. Fun. And the shades. Ooh, okay. So this looks like that. That's real pretty. Again, we're not doing this right now, but alright. Here for that. I don't know what its value is. I don't know anything about it because it's literally not listed on the damn paper. I don't get that, but okay, maybe something that is on the paper is missing. I don't friggin' know. So we have a Chianti London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray. I want to say I've gotten this before, but I would have to double check. Or maybe I have something else from the Watermelon Burst line from Chianti London. But this is $22, and it says, this delicately scented ultrafine mist helps to maintain hydration, keep makeup in place, and add a natural dewy finish. All of that sounds good. A setting spray is a setting spray, so not too much to say about it. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, so there is a product here that's listed that is not here, so I'm guessing this got substituted for it. But it was the Ella Luz Liquid Bronzer with Camu Camu. Unfortunately, it was a $32 product, but yeah, that's missing, so alright. Had a feeling it was something like that. But from Grown Alchemist, wait. Oh, motherfucker, did it happen twice? It did. So the other thing that is missing is the Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment that was $26. So instead, they gave me the Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. I can understand this being substituted for the lip product, but I guess this was substituted for the bronzer, and I'm just very confused. Okay. We'll look at it. After all that, it's only that big. Oh my god. Is it clear? Is it tinted? Do we know? What the frick? Is it black? It's black. Why is it black? We're doing that another time. What the hell? Anti-pollution primer? Over clean skin using fingertips after applying your preferred serum moisturizer. Allow anti-pollution primer to dry completely before the application of foundation or additional makeup products. Wear alone or under makeup. I'm sorry, if this goes on black, why would you wear it alone? I don't understand. I'm gonna have to look up like some reviews on how to use that one, because I am confused big time. And the last thing in here is, let's see here, Complex Cultures Easy Eyes Trio. This is worth $40, and it says, meet this award-winning multitasking brush trio designed to make your life easier. Each brush is made to do the work of multiple brushes in one, saving you both time and effort. With first-of-its-kind biodegradable handles in a velvety matte finish for extra grip and control. Collect all 3 Easy Eye brushes in this on-the-go kit. Let's look at them. Let's say what we have. An all-over shadow brush, a precision eyelid brush, and an easy crease definer. Oh, okay. So these should be, like, good. But useful to me. There's the other two. Try to get them out. So this little guy here is the precision eyelid. Looks like that. confused how that's precision exactly. It looks just like a normal eyelid one, but alright, go off. Ooh, can I not put it back in that way? Ruh-roh. Oh dear. Mistakes were made. Oh, wait. I know how to do it. Haha. There. We'll slide it up. I forgot it was open at the other end. Then we have an easy crease definer. This guy I like the look of. Like, look how nice and little he is. That's for in the crease. Like, that's handy. I'm going to enjoy this guy a lot. I can tell already. And then the last one. Once I get this back on there. It's a very snug fit for this brush. Oh my god. There. Last one is the all over shadow brush. And it is literally just like your normal fluffy eyeshadow brush. Like nothing to really write home about there. It's pretty standard, pretty typical. Not a lot to say there, but I am happy to have that set because all of that seems quite useful to my life. I'm not even going to stick these back in the box because these are going to go straight with like my normal makeup brushes like as soon as I hit stop on this video. So let's see. All these go back in so I can transport them back to my room. But yeah, so anyway guys, that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.